Hello guys, welcome to today's episode of our training. In this session, we are going to have a look at how to build an NGO or a charity website. So let's delve in. So to start with our website design, we all know that we first of all need to have our hosting and domain. And as usual, you can head to namecheap.com and then glance through their packages. You can get your preferred package for your project. So just head to Namecheap and then go to hosting and then you select shared hosting. We have this package displayed for you like this. So we have the Stellar Plus and then Stellar Business. So they all have each features that you just have to glance through and then you pick the one that suits you and then you are good to go. So I've made a video on how to buy domain and hosting in our previous session. So in case you want to refresh your mind, you can go back and then watch all those videos. So after buying your hosting and domain, then you have access to the cPanel and then where you can install your WordPress and then just like this. I've also made a video on how to install WordPress in our previous editions. You can go back and then in case you want to make any reference or you want to refresh yourself, you can go back and then have a look at all those videos. They are still there. You can go and then have a look at all that. So you install the WordPress and then it will take you to this page and then give you this congratulatory message that the software was successfully installed, and then it will send this message to your email. So let's just log into our WordPress dashboard and start building our website. To build our website, so this is our fresh WordPress dashboard with all this notification and then information. So let's go ahead and then start building our website. So in this edition, we are going to use, let's first of all have a look at how our website looks like. So currently this is how our website looks like. This way, this is how it looks like, and we want it to be like an NGO website. So we'll go back to our WordPress dashboard to change the appearance. For us to change the appearance, over here to the appearance tab and then choose theme, and then we'll install this theme. These are the current themes available on our website. So we want to install a theme that will change the appearance and make it look nice. So for us to do that, we just have to click on this add new theme, click on add new theme, and then we'll search for, we'll head over to add new theme and then we'll search for Blocksky. This search for Blocksy, this theme. So just have to, let's preview it. Apparently this is how it looks like, so install it, and then after that we activate it. Remember to always activate your themes and plugins when you install it, else it will not work. So install the Blocksky, and then after that it's recommended that we install called Blocksky Companion. So install the Blocksky Companion, but let's refresh our website and then see how it looks like. So this is how our website looks like for now. So let's continue. After that, we need to import our starter templates or our already made website templates that we want to use. So let's look for charity, something like this one for instance. So let's import it. So for here, when you click on import, it will ask you whether you want to import the child theme. Just leave it and then you just continue, and then it will ask you to choose the page builder you want to use for this projects. So I prefer Elementor because Elementor is very easy to use and very simple with that click, drag and drop. So we just click on next, and then it is telling you that it will come with WP forms and then Elementor. So it's good. So continue. So just continue, and then we wait for it to install the template for us. If you watch our previous video, you should know what Elementor is. Elementor is a page builder that we use to build our website using that click and drag, using the drag and drop feature. It has what we call elements. These elements are what you are going to use to put together to design your pages. It has already made features that in case you want, let's say, a slider, you just drag and drop and then fix your pictures and then it will start working for you. You are not coding anything, nothing. You are not going to write any code. Everything is just simple and then straightforward. So now our starter template has been successfully installed. So it's suggesting that we should customize or view page. So let's just view the page and then see how our website looks like now. Let's see how our website looks like now. So currently this now our website. You see how it looks like. See, very neat, clean, sharp, and very colorful. So now what we have to do is to edit this template to suit what we want or to suit how we want it. So for us to do that, we just head back to our WordPress dashboard. We head back to our WordPress dashboard. Now we need to install the plugins that we need to work with this project. So we just have to come to plugins, and then currently these are the plugins installed. So we want to install some plugins that will enable us perform certain functions. So we'll look for donation platform for WooCommerce and fundraiser management, this plugin. So we'll just click on it. Actually, there are so many plugins you can use. This is what we are going to use to accept, to create our donations pages and all that. So we just have to activate it, and then it's telling us that we need WooCommerce. So we just have to look for WooCommerce and then install that one too. Let's install WooCommerce, add new plugin. Then we'll search for WooCommerce. We search for WooCommerce. This plugin is what is going to help us accept money or payment. So this is it. So we install WooCommerce. Install WooCommerce, and then we install another plugin called Paystack. So the next thing we are going to install is Paystack Payment Forgive. This app, this is what we are going to use to accept donations. So we install it. And then we'll now go back to our plugins, and then activate our WooCommerce and then our Paystack. Activate our WooCommerce, and then this WooCommerce is what is going to enable us set up the campaigns. We are going to set up the campaigns like a kind of product that we are selling, so that people would send the money into our project. So let's set up the store. So you just choose any of this. You can just go to, and then the name is, let's say, Life Again. This is the name of the NGO. What type of products do you sell? You're not going to sell anything. So where we are, Accra, or just anything that you want, then you can click on continue. So now I don't want any of this, so I'll just uncheck all this. I will just uncheck it. So you wait for it to load and then install after that. So that's the setup wizard for WooCommerce. It's asking us to connect to our WordPress account. I don't want, so I'll just exit and then I'll go. So right now our website has been taken off because of the WooCommerce setup. We have to finish setting up the WooCommerce before. So this is it. So you just follow the wizard and then the guide, the setup, and then you can just continue your WooCommerce setup. So here we have to start customizing our store, add our products and all that. So we'll do all that later on. So but first let's get to our pages. This is our home page. Let's try to modify the home page and then probably make some changes and make it look nice and then look like the way we want. So this is the home page. So just search for the home, this, then we'll click on it, and then when it opens, you just have to click on edit with Elementor, this, and then it will open with the Elementor page builder for you. Okay, so it's saying that the site doesn't have default kit, so we just have to click on this recreate kit. So we'll click on it and then it will take us to this page, and then we just have to recreate a kit, and then we'll save changes. So now I'll come back here, refresh the page. Okay, so we are good to go. So Elementor is such that, like I said, you don't need to learn how to code or anything. You just, it's made of elements that you can just click and then start editing. So apparently this is just a setup guide. So it's asking you to do these things to complete the page builder, add a logo, set up your global fonts, that is the default font size, color, and all those things. Create your first 3 pages, set up a header, and assign home page and all that. So we are just going to close that, and then okay, so that is it. So this is how Elementor works. It's made of these elements, these things called elements. These are the things we are going to use to create the website. These things called elements. And when you click on any elements, or when you are on any element, it will expand and then give you additional 3 tabs: content, style, and then advanced. Content is for editing or modifying the content itself. Style is for styling the content, how it appears and all that. And then the advanced gives you more advanced features like positioning, the size of the element and all that. So you can do all those things with this. So for each element, it comes with these 3 features. So let's say we want to just change this, what do you call it, this writing. We just have to click on it, and then we'll just come to it, will open like this. We'll come to the content, and then we'll just change it to, let's say, hope for the girl child. This way. So when you think you're okay with it, you just have to click on this, publish, click on publish, and then it will take effect in the page. So let's refresh this page. So you see, hope for the girl child. So with Elementor, that is how you do the editing. You just click on any element that you want to edit, and then you are good to go. So let's say we want to change this text. You just have to click on it, and then its features will come like this from here. You see, and then it will come. Let's say we want to edit this button. You just have to click on this, and then the button features will also come. So you do your modification and all that and everything. So that is how this thing is done. Elementor works. That is how Elementor works. So let's say we want to change or modify this. You just have to click on this, and then it will come with all these features. And then this is the title. So let's say healthy food for a girl child. This way you are good to go. So you can just modify all these things and then all that, then you are good to go. So let's say I want to edit the whole container, all this, you can just click, and then the features will come, and then you can go ahead and then do your modification. So let's say you want to edit this picture, click on the picture, edit it, then the title, description, support staff, you can just write there probably CEO this way, and then this person you can just. So that is how you use Elementor to modify your pages, modify your web pages and all that. So basically that is how you are going to do. So now let's see how we can accept donation or create donations campaigns. So for us to do that, we need to go back to our WordPress dashboard, this, and then to our plugins, and then activate our plugins. We need to go and activate our plugin, this plugin that we install, WooCommerce, this Paystar GIF, Paystar payment gateway for GIF. Let's activate it. Okay, so that one too has been activated. So now we want to add our donation campaign. So for us to do that, we just have to come to this product, click on product, and then it will load the product page for you. Just have to click on add new product, or just click on this create product, this, and then it will take you to this page. So we just say you enter the name of the campaign, so something like this as the campaign name, and then you just enter the description. So I'll just use some dummy text. Probably I'll just copy this, enter the description of the campaign this way, and then you now come back here to this side, make it what you choose simple products, this, make it virtual because it's not physical, and then you select donation product, choose it this way, and then you now come to donation forms, this, you click on donation forms. So after, when you click on the donation form, you see all these features. So this is the shortcode for this particular donation product or the donation page that we are creating. So this is a direct link you can give to people to follow the link and then make their donation. So usually, yeah, so the donation range from here starts from 3 Ghana cedis. So you can click on edit, and then you can modify the stats, how much you want people to start paying and all that. So from here we can change the minimum donation amount, maybe just any amount, maybe 5 cedi, and this one seems to be 50,000. So this is it. So allow more than one product in cart. So yes, so probably if someone wants to donate for 2 or 3 projects, they can do it. So you can just select, you can allow redirect to cart instead of checkout, So when somebody finish, they should send them to their checkout, to their cart instead of checkout. No. So your contribution title, so this is what people will see on when they want to contribute. Your contribution, choose an amount title, choose an amount, and then minimum donation amount, and then we can make it, it was 3 cedi, you can make it 5 cedi or any amount that you want. The maximum donation amount 50,000, maximum amount range input, then disable order or donation notes. No, it's okay. Fee recovery, do you want your donors to take up the cost of fee, donation fees, like additional or extra fees that they charge? Okay, fine, you can. Or if you can be generous and also take up the cost, since they are generous enough to donate to you. Never contemplating mode, no. Clear catch, no. So I think that is all for now. So these are you can change colors and all that. So let's just save it and then we'll move on to the next. So come back here and then fundraising goal. So how much are you looking for? So let's say 5,000. So when the money reach 5,000, then we have achieved our goal. So end date, so from now up to when, up to which date? So probably to June, let's just say June 30th. Okay, so layout of amount, so how much, the feature that allows people to enter their amount, their donation amount. Do you just want a text box? Text box is just something like this that people can just enter their amount. Usually there are 3. Radio button selection, that is where you can input already some amounts already that people can just select, maybe 5 cedi, 50 cedi, 20 cedi, then the person can select any of the amounts. And then we have input box and then range slider, that is that is a feature that allows you to drag a kind of range, and as you drag, the amount will be increasing. So I'll do all those things and then you see. So for now let's move on. Let's maintain the text input and I'll show you how it will look like. And then if you have another description, short description, you can put it here. And then you come to this side. If you have your product image, you can just upload it. So let's just try to put an image for this particular project. So probably something like this. Okay, something like this. And then do you want to add gallery to that product? So you can just select a couple of pictures. You can just select a couple of pictures and add it. So now I create categories. So for now there are no categories. You can just click on add new category and then enter your category. So probably girl child projects. Back to school. And then you just add them. You add these two categories. And then you can add tags, girl child projects. Something like this. And then so I think we are good to go. So let's publish it and then see how our campaign looks like. Let's publish it and then see how our campaign looks like. So this is it. So let me just open it in a new tab. Let me open it in a new tab. So this is how our campaign looks like. Have you seen? This is how our campaign looks like. This is our total amount. Send a girl child to school. We are looking for 5,000 in 4 months. So this is this layout of amount suggestion, just input box. So this is an input box, so somebody can just enter 500 and then they click on donate and then boom, they are gone. But we haven't configured any payment method yet. So you can see it seems that there are no available payment methods. Please contact if you request. So we haven't set up any payment method yet, so we just have to go and set up our payment method before we can receive money. So this is it. So this is our first campaign. So now, as it is like this, it's only when you give people this link that they're able to see this campaign. Else when they go to the website, they are not going to see this. So how do we make people see this what do you call it, campaign project, and then they can make payment? So for us to do that, we need to make it visible on the page itself. So we have to go back to our WordPress dashboard. And then we'll go to our menu, go to appearance, and then go to menu. This appearance, and then we'll try to customize the headers and all that, these things you are seeing here. So let's try to customize them. Okay, so here it is. So first of all, go to the let's go to the header, and then this is how we can customize the header. So you can see this is the header. We have the top row, we have the main row, and then we have the bottom row. So usually there are 3 rows here. So first, on the main row, that is the middle one, you can see socials, that's this, and then you can see menu 1, that's this, and you can see the logo, that's this one, and you can see menu 2, that's this one too, and then we have a button, that's the donate button. So first things first, maybe we can just move this to anywhere we want. So let's say we want it to come here, you just click and drop it where you want it to be, and then you see that the socials have moved to this side. So if you want the logo to come to this side, you can just bring it this way, and then you can see the logo will move and come here with the menu. So this menu 2, I don't think we want to, we'll just remove it. And then we now have menu 1 left, home, project, and then about. So if we want to keep the social, we can keep it, else we can just remove it. But I think we should leave it, and then maybe bring the donate here. Let's send it to this side, this way. Okay, so that is it. When we are okay with this appearance, we just have to click on publish, and then it will take effect. You will not see these things here again. So I'll be saying this is it. So this is how it looks like. And then so these projects, usually when you install WooCommerce, it comes with a page called shop. So this shop page is what will contain all the products you have created. You know, the campaigns, we are using product as campaign. We are using product as campaign so that people can more like purchase the campaigns and then we'll get the money. So that is how the charity website works. So use the WooCommerce, create the campaigns as what, like a product that you are selling, and then when people buy it, that's when they donate, then you get the money. So that is how the NGO websites works. So now that we are able to set this, let's change this projects. So now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So for every campaign that we create, is going to be like a product. So it's going to be in our shop pages. So let's go to the pages here, and then go to shop. Where is shop? So let's try to view shop page. You will see that we have our campaign there. Have you seen? So our campaign is here. We have our campaign here, but when you go to the website, you don't see any shop tab here. We don't see any shop tab here. So we need to bring the shop here. Replace this project with the shop page. So how do we do that? We need to go to our menu, go to appearance, go to menus, and then here, from here. So this is it. So look for the shop page and we'll add it, and this is it. So we just have to do away with this, remove this, and then rename this shop page as what? Our projects, this way, and then we'll save it. Now we can drag and drop it. Maybe let's send it up this way. We'll save it, and then when we go back to our website, refresh it, you should see that it will be here. And when you click on it, it will give you the list of the products we have. So have you seen? It'll give you the list of products, or the list of projects we are currently running. So this is how it is. So now let's make these donate buttons work and all that. So for us to do that, we need to go back to our Elementor homepage. This. So now let's see how we can modify this button such that when somebody click on this, it should take them to the donation page. So all we have to do is just click on this button, and then we look for the shop page link, this, and then we'll just fix it here. Like that. Now when somebody clicks on this, it will take them to the donation or the projects page. Okay, so let's see when somebody clicks on this, whether it will take them to the product page. Click on this, so you can see it has brought them to the product page. So that is what I was saying. So now let's try to modify this one too. For us to modify this, we need to come to appearance and then customization this, and then we locate the header and then look for this particular button, and then we just enter the shop or product page here, and then just publish, and then we are good to go. And then we are good to go. So actually there are so many features and other things that you can edit here. You can even add, in case you want to add something here, you can just simply drag and then drop. Let's say you want to add search button, you can just drag and drop, and then people can be able to search on this, conduct search on this your website. So that is it. Publish. So now the next thing is, let's go and set up our payment gateway. So now we have our product or our donation campaign set up. Let's try to set up the payment gateway. So for us to do that, we need to go to WooCommerce. We need to go to WooCommerce. Then this has already been done, so just go to get paid, and then okay, so this is the payment method available in Ghana. So okay, let me just enable that. The pay stack, we've installed it already, so let me enable it, and then we can use that one to accept payment. So let me manage pay stack. So from here we can configure such that people can pay to us using their Momo and then all that. So before you come here, you need to create a pay stack account. And then you can configure the payment method. So I have a pay stack account already. All you have to do is just log into your pay stack account, create your business, and then you come to settings, and then API, and then API keys and webhooks. Then you now come and then choose test. Then you enter this. So I want to just do a test connection so that we can try making some payment, and then you see how it looks like. Okay, so I'll just do this setup, and then let's see how it's going to look like. Okay, so now when somebody comes to our shop, our product page and then click on one of our campaigns, and then let's say they donated maybe 1,000. Donate. You just have to enter your details, and then just any, and then phone number. You have an additional, then you just have to click on donate now. Zip. Says zip is not valid. Okay, I'll just remove it. Donate now, and then so you see you have this, and then the person can pay with the Momo. So probably you just enter your Momo number and all that, or you can even pay with your credit card. When you click on this credit card, click on this is Momo, so you can just confirm, and then prompt will come to your phone. Then you enter your Momo pin, and then you are good to go, and that's all. Donation has been done successfully. So when you come back to your WooCommerce, when you come to your WooCommerce, come to orders, and then you can see that somebody has donated 2 minutes ago 1,000 cedis. So you can click to view the person's detail. So this is it. So this is it. This is their information and all that. This is the campaign they donated to. Payment successfully via Paystack and all that. So that is how the charity or NGO website works. So you just download your theme. Remember to modify or customize it. So you can just customize anything that you have here using the Elementor, and then you can go ahead and then customize all these things. I don't want to do all this because probably it will just be like I'm repeating things. Just customize the pages, and then you are good to go. The main thing is just to how to create the campaign and then the payment system. And with that one, with WooCommerce, you are covered. You just create and then you are good to go. So that is it for now. So that is it for now. Take care and have a nice day.